Today, I'm showing you how to turn your terrace into a luxury garden retreat that looks like a high-end resort. It starts with the floor. Don't just place pots directly on concrete. Use weather-resistant artificial grass or wooden deck tiles to define your space. This immediately separates your garden from the rest of the terrace and sets a premium base. If your terrace is small, go up. Vertical gardening is the secret to a lush, full look. Use a sturdy trellis or wall-mounted planters. This creates a green wall effect that blocks noise and neighbours, giving you the privacy of a luxury spa. To get that resort vibe, choose one statement plant, like a large palm or a potted citrus tree, to act as your centerpiece. But the real magic is lighting. Add soft, warm string lights or solar-powered lanterns. A garden that looks beautiful at night is a garden you'll actually use. Your terrace has the potential to be the most relaxing room in your house. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your sanctuary grow. Which plant are you adding first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Nest Nova for more elegant home transformations. Happy planting!